Hey guys, this is Matt with SoundOffAudio.com. I'm going to be showing you our new box for a 2019 Ram Crew Cab. It's completely underneath the back seat. We can do forward fire or rear fire, or I can actually do air reports on the sides. I'm going to make an option and a drop down list for you to choose 2 3-inch air reports on each side, which would be a pretty nasty setup. This particular box is tuned to 38 Hertz. I can adjust that a little bit. You can just put that in the comment section if you have a specific woofer that you want to do. Currently we're doing 210s, ported, 2.4 cubic foot. You got plenty of excursion room. This woofer is actually recessed a little bit. Now this is actually my first box. What I'm going to do is double the baffle and drop the woofer down a little bit, so it'll actually be lower than what it is on this one. But plenty of room. You can actually use the factory mat